Xiaomi launched the Redmi K20 in India earlier this week to take on Realme X, Vivo Z1 Pro and more. This very same smartphone was launched in China a couple of months back. Cutting down to the chase, we have the device itself in the studio in glacier blue color ready for unboxing. Without further ado, let's do it. Upon opening the box, we have a SIM ejector tool, a paper document and a hard plastic bag case packed in a compartment. Below, we have the Redmi K20, 18-watt charger along with the USB Type-C cable. The Indian SAR value for the device is 1.070 watts per kg for head and 0.723 watts per kg for body. The Redmi K20 comes with a 6.39-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display that's free from any notches or punch holes. It has a 91.9% screen-to-body ratio as well. The design of the device is clean and stylish, and the 3D glass finish on the back gives it a distinct look. The handset is not water resistant certified, but there is a P2I nano coating for splash resistant. The right side of the device makes room for the volume rocker and a power button underneath. The top of the device has a 3.5mm jack, a pop-up camera which houses a tiny notification LED and a secondary microphone. The bottom side of the device houses a SIM slot, USB Type-C port and a speaker grill. There is also an in-display fingerprint sensor which worked rather quickly and reliably during our short usage. Under the hood, the K20 is running on Snapdragon 730 mobile platform and it has 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage under the hood. Unfortunately, you can't expand the storage further as it lacks a microSD expansion slot on its dual nano SIM tray. The Redmi K20 comes with a motorized rising camera which houses a 20MP front shooter covered with a sapphire lens. Unlike other pop-up cameras, the module lights up whenever the camera rises. In our unit, it illuminates in blue color. The overall build is pretty solid and it feels more premium in par with K20 Pro. Over the rear, you will find a triple camera setup that comes with a 48MP f1.75 aperture main camera which uses a familiar Sony IMX582 sensor. The K20 also gets a 13MP f2.4 ultra-wide angle camera as well as a 8MP f2.4 telephoto unit that does 2x optical zoom. As for the software, it is based on Xiaomi's latest MIUI 10, which is a heavily customized version of Android 9 Pie. It is feature-rich with dark mode, navigation gesture, lots of animation, picture-in-picture mode and autofill support. The device comes with a huge 4000 mAh battery which supports 18-watt fast charging via the bottom-mounted USB Type-C port. The Redmi K20 comes in carbon black, flame red and glacier blue colors and is priced at Rs 21,999 for 6GB and 64GB version and Rs 23,999 for the 6GB RAM 128GB storage version. It will be available on Flipkart, Mi.com and Mi Home stores from July 22nd. This is it guys for the unboxing. If you have any queries, comment in the section below and we will get to you ASAP. Before leaving, do hit the like button, share and subscribe.